Hi, I'm Jo. I'm a blogger and occasional video maker from New Zealand. Today, I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can curl your hair without using heat. Start by wrapping a small section of damp hair around 2 of your fingers. Wrap it up tightly, then slip it off your fingers right near the top of your head. Bobby pin it into place. Continue doing this until all of your hair has been put into bobby pins. Go to sleep and leave your hair to dry overnight. Wake up, undo the bobby pins, and voila! You'll have a head full of beautiful and bouncy curls. Now for method number 2, rag curls. Cut some fabric into strips roughly 2 inches long. Tie it around the small damp sections of hair, roll it up, and tie it again at the top. Keep doing this to small sections of hair until it is all tied up. Go to sleep and leave your hair to dry overnight. In the morning, simply undo all of your rags and you'll be left with a set of gorgeous curls with no heat involved, so your hair stays happy and healthy. Please remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.